Hello everyone, this is Shiela Piet and for today's video, I will show you the award-winning shopping destination in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, with over 700 retail outlets and restaurants and international fashion chains. I am now walking towards the main entrance, but before we enter the shopping mall, let me show you the buildings near Pavilion. You will see Star Hill, it's also a luxury mall. On the other side, you will see Sephora, Fahrenheit, and Grand Millennium. In the main entrance is the Pavilion Crystal Fountain. This is a must-see at night. It changes colors during the night and it is truly spectacular. It is also considered a landmark of Kuala Lumpur. You can actually toss a coin and make a wish. And according to them, the coins are later on collected and donated to a charity. If you like high-end shopping and enjoy famous big brands, this place is pretty amazing. A lot of shops to see and a lot of things to buy, especially if you like high-end products. It's probably the most luxurious shopping center in modern Kuala Lumpur. This place is frequented by the rich and famous from all over the world. It's really a good place to take a walk if you cannot stand the heat in Malaysia any longer. I must say that this mall is always having some sort of festival. It is pretty much a happy mall. Their decorations for celebratory periods like Valentine's Day, Christmas, Chinese New Year or Indian New Year, Hari Raya are extravagant. What I really love about the outlets are that they range from super luxurious brands and more affordable brands. For me, personally, I find it easier to shop here than KLCC. This mall also has a food court located at the lower ground floor of the mall called the Food Republic. There is also a mini Japan section called Tokyo Street, located at the fourth floor, which sells various Japanese street foods, fashion, and accessories. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. That would really help my channel to grow. Bye-bye! See you on my next vlog!
Ito si Madam. Madam PH to KLTV. Nandito na kami magkasama.
Ito sa ko sa may wang kay ko.